Hello and welcome to Dr. Ara's channel and another episode of Food is Medicine. I'm your host Sunya Arash, and in today's video we will talk about how to stay energized throughout the day. So Dr. Aras, how do we start our day so we have energy till bedtime?
All right, this is a very, I would say, sometimes hard thing to do, but we all can do it. First thing, start with the positive attitude. That's number one. People will say why it is, but it's very important how we start our day. If we are starting our day on a positive note, on a positive attitude, trust me, your whole day will be a good day for you. Then you start with a good kind of a glass of water before you start doing anything. That's very important. Water is going to be keeping you hydrated. But for morning breakfast is breakfast is extremely important. So you are starting your day, plan your day, at least 2 eggs a day in the morning, and take some yogurt, glass of water with that. So you will be set for the whole day. During the day you can have some vegetables, some fruits, so that will keep you energized throughout the day. In between, if you need anything and you feel down and tired, drink water. So water is extremely important, and positive attitude is extremely important.
Well, so there are a lot of foods that we can eat and stay energized. Is there anything for us to avoid in order to have energy?
So people think that, drinking coffee and then alcohol and then nicotine, which is cigarette, these things can keep them up and very high, and they all can give you kind of a boost of energy, especially caffeine. I have seen people drinking coffee like crazy, 10 cups a day, or heavy coffee, dark black coffee. But yes, it can give you energy for a little bit, but then you will be up and down whole day. If you don't drink the coffee or tea has very little caffeine compared to coffee, then you will not be consistently energized. You will be up and down. There are spikes and downs, so that's not really good for your body, and you will be dependent on it. Yes, I do take tea once or twice a day. That also, I'm avoiding that, but that's not really, we shouldn't be dependent on caffeine. And alcohol also, I know some people who just will here and there drink alcohol during the day, which is, I would not recommend that. And sometimes people are actually also taking these stimulants. They have they are medications. Those I also would not recommend, especially the students. I have seen that they are taking a lot of these pills which are keeping them up and during the exams, and all these stimulants are really not good. They are all cause dependency. They can cause addiction.
Very well. So I know that you're very busy throughout the day. So what do you do to stay energized throughout the day?
Oh, that's actually, I would not say that it's that easy thing to do, because I do a lot of things, and whole day is full packed of all the activities, but I will tell all my audience that we have to plan our day. The time when you wake up, at that time you do a little bit of meditation or prayer. Start your day with a positive note, positive attitude, and tell yourself, today I'm going to be accomplishing whatever your day is. In the mind, you should prepare your day. Number one is positive attitude, which I do all the time. I would definitely recommend people that they should have a good breakfast. Most of the people are in rush, and they actually will leave the home without taking any breakfast. That 5-10 minutes in the morning is very important. So I would recommend that, which I do it, 2 eggs in a day in the morning and a glass of water, or like green tea or regular tea is all right, but eggs are very important, which is this morning I had 2 eggs and I had a glass of water. I'll be all set till the afternoon. In between I can have either apple or drink more water. And then during the day I actually take some time, 5-10 minutes break, where I actually meditate or prayer. That's also one way I keep myself like energized and actually still keeping myself up for the world. Also I do walking meeting. I'll just put my phone on a speaker, or many times headphones, so I'll just walk, and if I don't need the computer in front of me, I'll just walk and talk. So that's also can be done. It's easy. I'm not a person who take frequent naps, but frequent naps is my husband's. He does it. He actually will have sometime frequent naps, 5 minutes nap, because a nap actually, when you take a nap, you are starting the next, it looks like another day is starting. So frequent nap is very, very important. So, but I usually will hydrate myself during the day, and that's what my number one thing. I drink a lot of water, and also I meditate.
Thank you so much for all helpful information and helpful tips, Dr. Aras.
Thank you for having me.
If you found our clip helpful, please like our videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.